Here is a step-by-step action plan for implementing the concepts from the Power of Habits tailored for you. Step 1. Identify a habit you want to change or improve. Start by identifying a habit you want to change or improve in your life, whether it's a small habit like biting your nails or a larger habit like procrastination. Step 2. Understand the habit loop. The habit loop consists of a cue, a routine, and a reward. Identify the cue that triggers your habit, the routine you perform, and the reward you receive from it. Step 3. Experiment with rewards. Experiment with different rewards for the same routine to understand what is the true reward you are looking for. Step 4. Find an alternative routine. Find an alternative routine that will give you the same reward, but won't have the negative side effects of the habit you want to change. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. This helps to increase visibility on YouTube, allowing others to benefit from it as well. Thank you and enjoy the remainder of the video. Step 5. Create a plan. Create a plan to implement your alternative routine and make sure to have a plan in place for when you slip up and fall back into your old habit. Step 6. Implement your plan. Put your plan into action, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Step 7. Repeat the process. Repeat the process for any other habits you want to change. Remember, changing habits takes time and effort, but with persistence and determination, you can change even the most ingrained habits. Bonus tip. The key is to keep trying, be consistent and be mindful of the habit loop, rewards and triggers. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications of similar videos in the future, we suggest subscribing to our channel. Remember, progress requires action and we created these videos to make it easy for you to take action.